Right, great. Recording in progress. All right, Miss Eileen, hi. Can you please tell me your favorite food?
Um, my oh me right. My favorite food bread.
Bread. All right, great. Cheese bread, bread butter jam. Which bread?
Uh, Wholemeal bread.
All right, great. You are so easy, right? It's so easy. All right, thank you, Miss Elaine. Next one, Mr. Renon. Your favorite food, please. Your favorite food, your favorite dish, sweet dish, wherever.
My favorite sweet dish is tiramisu.
You said tiramisu, is it?
Yeah, tiramisu.
Actually, mine too. Yeah.
Yeah,
I love the tiramisu cake from Cake Sense. Do you all like Cake Sense also? I'm a
makes
fan.
sense. I love the one from Italianis.
All right, great, great. Thank you. Next one, Miss Samantha, your favorite dish, please.
I like chocolate.
All right, great. Oh, everybody's on sweeter side, is it? All right. Next one, teacher Farah. Hi, your favorite dish, please.
Fries. Fresh
Fries,
fries. Yeah,
French fries.
fries.
Oh, McDonald's. All right, I'll have McDonald's here. Do you want some?
Yeah.
All right. Next one. Can I move to Miss Shona?
I like fried rice.
Fried rice. All right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Me too. I love rice as well. Thank you. All right. Next one. Miss Felicia. Hi.
I like curry fish head.
All right. All right. Great. Okay. Next one. Next one. Miss Lenny.
I like chicken rice.
Chicken rice. Yeah. Yeah. Me too. Yeah. Next one. Miss Moon. Hi. Are you there?
Yeah, I like tom yum.
All right, great, fantastic. Miss
Yeah.
Lim, how about you?
Can I choose drinks instead of food?
Yeah, sure, sure, of course.
Yeah, I like bubble tea.
All right. Yeah, all right. So this group, we all have different opinion. But last time I had a group, and you know what? But that was full school, and you know what was their favorite food? They all said, "Deem sushi." Right. All right.